What was that? Hello guys, so I didn't know why am I videoing right now. I just like to take videos to send you. I'm sorry that I haven't posted some videos a lot for weeks because I'm busy for school. I'm so sorry. So, what was that? Okay, it's nothing. So, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.